Them say go on you, yeah. Go on you, yeah, go on, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, you your star. Yeah. Go on you, yeah, go on, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, you your star. Only for pressure in my corner. One time it hard for carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt on the journey so far. Show me know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and stand hold me harder.
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos. Like this video so we can continue to make contents that you like, contents that you love. So today, Chronicler and Byron Messia drop a remix of the hit song, emotional song that made me cry. Yes, the first time I listened to this song, it made me cry. So stay tuned for the breakdown.
Me know me killer up a heaven, none of me killer now in a hell. Yeah. Me know them must attack together, say them nigga go sin again. Dog have been fighting so long in a boiling sun a snowstorm.
Chronicler is a potent artist that delivers intoxicating lyrics to his fans, lyrics with meaningful message to comfort us and shield us from depression, stress and thoughts of giving up. If I true me attack, like this video and leave a comment and tell me what you think. You see me? Tell me how Chronicler save you from these things when I talk about the depression, the stress, and help you if you come back and pre-life and say, yo, Jano youth, all your dogs them gone, but go and hold it. Go and hold the faith, you see me? Because what? Them they in a better place. By now, everyone know the artist that is in the intro of my song that play every time when you click on my video and you hear. Go on youth here, go on, you see me? Alapap, so RIP to Alapap, aka Alloh, aka Paul. Jano youth, me still there, I go and do it, you see me? And me know say the inner heaven a pre the thing because none of me killer them not in a hell. Murder inside, when you do me a favor, tell God say me I go sin again because if me catch the boy we kill you, a dirt and me still there on the journey, I put in the work, rain, snow, and even sometime in the boiling sun, you see me? We there and we are putting the work and make sure say yo, we stay focused on the journey.
Yeah, before you gone, you send a left with some carry few. And the killer them where you so solid and Italy shoes. The boy when violate the dog, them done go put him on the news. You say fi kill them smart, sometimes the circle they even have a clue me.
And because of all them dirt you, we not left it. You hear it? We not left it. We have it always pan we. We keep living. Have some real youths round we. We're genuine like leather. Solid as a rock. Catch that boy that we dirty youth. Yo, him have to make news. And we're going to do it smart. The circle not even have to know. You see me? Lone wolf type of setting we are go for them. And one man I go for them and do the dirt.
Yo, see that hack. You know me feel a type of way when you not make me phone ring again. R.I.P. You dagger where you gone for. Me don't know if you tell your daughter. I'm mentally disorder. Stop the smoke, me getting maga. Still I feel look out like say your pizza we harder. Cause the dogs them a drop out like loose a kit all a charger.
Me feel a pain in my chest when days, weeks, all months go by and me no get a WhatsApp text, me no get a phone call, me no get nothing from your dog. Not even a phone call if you say, yo, bad man where you did there with. You see me? Jano youth, my heart still there you bleed. Dog, where you gone for? Left all your daughter. Right now me there confused. Me no know if you tell her, daddy soon come. Them kill daddy for no reason. Jaja know youth. Mental strain. We depressed from the loss of an innocent youth life. You see me? But guess what? We eyes wide open. We there same way. We there right so I chill. We there build same way. And we eyes open and we not give them a chance not even an inch to come and take with 3 pints because we have to live on. You see me? We have to carry on the legacy. Go on youth here, go on. No say you're a star. If you make it to the end of this video, thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the comments, thanks for everything you do. You see me? RIP Alapap, RIP Alloh, RIP Paul. I'm out.
Killer up a heaven, none of me nigga now in a hell. Shawty. Killer up a heaven.